Question number 151. Granulated blood cells with bilobed nucleus associated with helminthic infections are. The correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is eosinophils. Because these eosinophils are granulated and they have bilobed nucleus and are associated with helminthic infections as well as allergies. Let's discuss other options also. Next option given is basophils, and this is an incorrect option because basophils have a 3-lobed nucleus rather than bilobed nucleus, and these basophils release heparin as well as serotonin. The next option given is neutrophils, and this is an incorrect option because neutrophils have multi-lobed nucleus. Although all these 3 cells are granulated, but based on characteristics of the nucleus as well as based on their functions also. So these neutrophil cells are phagocytic in nature and have multi-lobed nucleus. So this cannot be a correct answer. Our last option is monocytes, and this is an incorrect option because monocytes are agranulated cells. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 152. A person with blood group B positive met with an accident and loses a lot of blood. Which pair of individuals can donate blood to him? And the given options are, in first option given is AB positive and B positive. So B positive can donate blood to this patient which has this blood group B positive, but AB positive cannot donate blood to this patient. So this is an incorrect option. Our second option is AB negative and A negative, and both these individuals or donors cannot donate its blood to the patient. The third option given is A positive and B negative. So B negative can donate blood to this B positive patient, but A positive cannot donate blood to this patient. So this is an incorrect option. Our last option given is O positive and B negative. And O positive can donate blood to this patient as well as B negative also can donate blood to this patient, because O blood group is considered as a universal donor, in that too O negative. But yes, O positive can also donate its blood to this patient with a blood group B positive. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 153. Read the following statements carefully and select correct choice from below. And the very first statement given is, first heart sound lub is produced due to closure of atrioventricular valves. And this is a correct statement because it is the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valves which is associated with the first heart sound lub. Our next statement given is, first heart sound is of longer duration than second heart sound dub. And this is also a correct statement because lub has longer duration as well as low frequency in comparison to second heart sound. This is the first heart sound. Second heart sound in comparison to the second heart sound. This is the first heart sound and second heart sound is dub, which has shorter duration and high frequency. So both these statements are correct. Now option 1 is A is correct but B is wrong. This is incorrect. B is correct and A is wrong. This is incorrect. Both A and B are correct. This is a correct option and is a correct answer to our question. And both statements A and B are wrong. This is an incorrect option. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 154. Lymph collected from all parts of body is eventually drained into blood vessels known as. And we know that lymph fluid is finally drained into venous blood. So among the given options, option number 3, that is renal arteries, and option number 4, subclavian arteries, cannot be the correct answers because this lymphatic fluid will be ultimately drained into venous blood rather than arterial blood. So option number 3 and 4 cannot be the correct answers. And in between option number 1 and 2, that is subclavian veins and hepatic veins, it is option number 1 which is the correct answer for our question. Lymph from right thoracic duct will be drained into right subclavian veins, whereas lymph from left thoracic duct will be drained into left subclavian veins. Option number 2, that is hepatic veins, pour deoxygenated blood from liver into inferior vena cava. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 155. Diffusion membrane for gaseous exchange at alveolar surface lacks a layer composed of. And we know that this diffusion membrane or respiratory membrane comprise of 3 layers. First layer would be the simple squamous epithelium of alveoli. Second layer would be endothelium or simple squamous epithelium of alveolar capillaries. And in between these two epithelium, there is basement substance. And these 3 layers form the respiratory membrane. Now, among the given options, the very first option given is basement substance between alveolar and capillary wall. Yes, the diffusion membrane consists of this basement substance, so this cannot be a correct answer. Second option given is simple squamous epithelium of alveoli, as respiratory membrane consists this simple squamous epithelium of alveoli, so this cannot be a correct answer. Our third option is endothelium of alveolar capillaries. This cannot be a correct answer because it is involved in formation of this respiratory membrane. Our last option given is muscle fibers in wall of alveolar blood capillaries, and this is an incorrect option and is a correct answer to our question because diffusion membranes lack a layer which is composed of muscle fibers in wall of alveolar blood capillaries. Why? Because blood capillaries lack tunica media formed by smooth muscle fibers. So, capillaries lack muscular tissue. So, the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.